Hey, what's up guys? Wala na paligoy-ligoy pa. Medyo marami akong gagawin. But here is my initial review about the HSI Motivational Herba Pura. Take note, this is just initial review since I just wear this for like a day, kaya initial lang. Okay, let's talk about the scent. Yung amoy nito, one thing I could say, amoy frutos. Yes, you heard me, amoy proto siya na candy. Talagang very candy, sweet, tropical yung amoy niya. And sadly, I could not really get that hint ng mango. Or it's just talaga ako lang talaga yung problem. Is it bad smelling? Hell no! Actually, I very like the scent ng herba na to. Like cash. Amoy niya, parang frutos na candy. But, I do really get that very shampooish vibe na scent niya. It's either between cream silk, sunsilk, or palmolive. Any of those lang. It's either the green one or the pink one. Basta amoy shampoo siya. Anyway, let's talk about the performance of this. Honestly, I thought this was a letdown kasi in-spray ko siya around 8:30 going to work. Then I thought hindi siya mag-pro-project and maybe nose blind ako, but damn. Kanina after meeting namin, 4:30 something ata yon, na-compliment ako. Amoy candy daw ako. Very sweet na candy. Wala na ako masabi about like, oh my gosh. So without being said, longevity, it lasted for like, no joke, 7 to 8 hours on me. Sa clothes, medyo 10 hours siya kasi medyo humina siya after that. Pero maybe, if I mature this, baka bumalabag pa to. For projection, I would say, for safe lang, above average yung projection niya. It's not very that loud. Okay? Since this is just Lunes lang to dumating, so hindi naman ako ma-expect na mag-pro-project siya like a beast mode, like Estapuro. But yeah, above average yung projection niya. It projects for the first 1.5 hour maybe. But kanina, my gosh, I got a compliment and nag-pro-project pa siya. But I think that's on the clothes na. But if sa skin lang, safe to say 1 to 1.5 hours yung projection niyan skin. Si Yaj, hindi na ako magsasabi ng si Yaj. Syempre, may si Yaj to. Yeah, so I think that's it na. One thing I could say, maybe it will go on my top 1 na. Let's see.